We are concentrating in Taiwan. Yes.
What's this for breakfast? We are gonna do the laundry. We're going here. So here's a washing machine and a dryer. Dry sheet detergent. So there's instructions here. This is for the washer, and then this is for the dryer.
English.
English.
This is Martha. This is Bobao. Show you. Show you. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have chicken? Do you have chicken?
We don't have a chicken. This is pork and pork fry. This is pork fry.
How about shrimp? Do you have shrimp?
This is same shrimp.
With vegetables.
Shrimp with vegetables.
This is vegetable and potato. Yeah.
Then how about fish?
We don't have a fish. We have a tomato egg.
Tomato and egg.
We have a fried rice. And this is tofu.
Tofu.
That's all.
Is it spicy?
It is spicy.
How about you? I'm fine with the veggies.
Yeah. You choose. You choose.
This one, yeah.
And vegetables.
Vegetables. 1,000.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Hi. It's tea.
It is only veg.
Yeah, right. Western shrimp. Maybe he added it for us.
We have gone straight to Taiwan. So 1 hour flight there.
Looks nice.